Hi guys, I am Shine from the theplant. Welcome to our gardening channel. Today in this video, I want to talk about pothos plant stem cutting in water. Actually, in one of our videos, we talked about the pothos plant propagation in soil, and in this video, I want to talk about its cutting in water like this, as you see. So stay with me until end of this video to show you how you can propagate your pothos plant. First of all, the tools we need is the scissor. Alcohol for sterilizing your scissor is really important. The vase, actually, my vase is plastic vase. You can use every kind of vase you want. And the water is inside that. And the last one, actually the important one, is the mother plant. It should be mature pothos plant. These are the tools you need. Okay guys, this is my pothos plant. The first step you should do, you should find the fresh stem. The stem should have fresh leaves. Look at here, I choose this stem. Its leaves are fresh, and the length of stem you need it should be about 15 centimeters, and it should have at least 3 bumps, 3 nodes. Look at here, these brown bumps are nodes, and the stem actually should have at least 3 nodes. The roots come out of these nodes. Okay, I sterilized my scissor. Now where you cut should be exactly under the last knot. This is my last knot, and I cut exactly under the knot like this. Look at here, this is my stem. Its length is about 15 centimeters, and it has at least, it should have 1 knot, and at most it's better to have 3 or 4 knots. And look at here, the knots are here. I have 2 stems, actually 2 cuttings, but the number of leaves are too much. Because of that, I should remove the bottom leaves. Always remember, you should remove bottom leaves, not top leaves. Okay, it's enough. Look at here, these cuttings have 3 leaves, and the leaves are on top of the stems. First one, this is the second one. These are my cuttings, and right now the only things I should do is put the cuttings inside the water. I fill the water inside this vase, and now I put the cuttings like this inside the pot. Just remember all the nodes you have. I talked about the nodes. I have 3 nodes. The nodes should be inside the water. It shouldn't be out, because they rootings will happen from that nodes, and they should be under the water. This is the work you should do, and the cutting is ready. After about 1 or 2 weeks, it will root. And after rooting, you can put the cutting inside the soil. If you want to grow up your pothos plant inside the soil, you can put it in soil. Otherwise, you can continue growing up the pothos plant in water like this. Always remember the length of root after it gets 3 or 4 centimeters transferred in soil. Otherwise, don't do that because it dies in the soil. If you want to continue growing up your pothos plant in water, every 2 weeks or 3 weeks, change the water and wash the vase completely. This is really important, because pothos plant gets its nutrients from the water, and if you don't change, it can't get enough nutrients. So change the water frequently, every 2 weeks. Guys, there are a few points I want to talk about. Look at this pothos. We grew up this pothos in water, but as you see, few leaves of this pothos are in water, but it shouldn't be like this. Always remember, when you put the stem in the water, all the leaves should be out of the water. It's better to be out of the vase completely like this, and this form is better. Look at this cutting. I want to show the roots of this cutting. As you see, after about 21 or 30 days, the roots length will be about 10 centimeters like this, As you see, I have another pothos. Let me show that one to you. Look at this pothos. I want to show the roots. See how big its roots are, like this. This pothos is about 3 months or 4 months age. Look at the pothos. After 3 months, this length of the roots will be about 20 centimeters or 70 centimeters. It depends to the environment you keep the pothos plant in that. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. In this video, we talked about pothos plant propagation in water, and I showed you how you can take a stem cutting from your pothos plant. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any question, please leave a comment for us. Goodbye.